I already have a big 48 needle knitting machine, but I bought this little 22 needle one on Amazon because I really wanted something just for baby beanies, socks, and tiny clothes for amigurumis. I was skeptical about the size at first, but this turned out to be a really good buy for those smaller detailed projects. This is the Sentro style 22 needle machine, and it comes as a full kit with yarn and needle and a crochet hook. One thing you'll notice right away is that it can be a bit wobbly because it's lightweight. I show the adhesive pads here that you can use to attach it to the bottom of the machine. If you don't adjust it or stick it to the table, it tends to move around while you are cranking. So definitely don't skip that step. I also want to point out the thread gauge, which is this little piece here that controls the tension of the yarn. Getting the tension right is the secret to not dropping stitches. One customer review asked if it's hard to keep the tension consistent, and honestly, once you thread it through the gauge properly, it's very smooth. It's perfect for small projects that look way too stretched out on the big machine. Baby hats come out the perfect size, and it's amazing for making tiny sweaters for dolls, amigurumi, or even knitted socks. The design is very kid friendly, so if you have children who are curious about what you are doing, they can help crank and count the rows. It's basically a STEM style craft toy for kids and a time saving tool for adults at the same time. Since I crochet everything else, having this for quick circular knits saves me so much time. I'll use it for my son's toys for quick gifts. If you already have a large machine and want a mini version for baby items and toy clothes, I highly recommend this one.